decision. Don't know, Hassan, I'm going to win that. Because I was that tight. Could you see me?
Yeah.
Open up a little bit more, like that. I can always change for that, if I have to.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can see it now. Good. I think it's got to go more in than it does forward. I think it goes more like there. So it's a good decision.
I'll just snap it back.
You can snap it back, or you can open up with a tight touch, like that there, and then there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, as long as it's tight. Yeah, even that. Decision. Engage with the ball. Decision. Because there's no guesswork, is there? You know exactly why you're doing it. You know, if you're not sure about doing it in one touch, if you just take the weight out of the ball and do it with your second touch, like you did, but make sure the ball stops here.
Okay.
And then 1, 2, yeah. If it's still bouncing around, I wouldn't. If it's bouncing, I'd just settle and then 1, 2, yes.